Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Christine. I'm the education manager here at the Kima Aquarium. Today, I'd like to invite you to join me as we slither into the world of snakes to learn what it is that makes them so different from each other and how we actually benefit from having snakes in the wild. Today we're going to learn about 3 ecological benefits of having snakes in the wild. Number 1 is going to be that crucial role they play in the food web. So snakes maintain balance by acting as both predator and prey. Snakes provide a food source for many larger birds of prey and also larger snakes. And while doing so, they're helping keep that pest population down. Super important, which leads me to number 2. They are natural born pest control. They keep that pest population down by preying on mice and other small rodents that are known for damaging crops and also carrying disease. Disease is no good, and snakes actually help with that as well. They do help with the prevention of disease spreading. If you know the timber rattlesnake, they do feed on ticks that are known for carrying Lyme disease, and those ticks could have very well infected some of your animals at home. So it is super important what they're doing out there, keeping those ticks under control. So snake venom is also highly valued in the medical field, and that would be for antivenom studies and also blood coagulation studies. So let's go ahead and recap. 1, food web balance. 2, pest control. And 3, medicinal studies are all just a few of the ecological benefits of having snakes out in the wild. So with all that being said, I do have 2 superstars I would like for you to meet today. While we learn about what makes the 2 species different, let's go ahead and brainstorm some different ways that we as humans can help protect snakes in their natural habitats. Today I have a green tree python I would like for y'all to meet. His name is Handsome. So green tree pythons come from parts of New Guinea, Australia, and Indonesia. They can grow up to about 6 feet long, females definitely being typically larger, and also to about 3.5 pounds. So their diet consists mostly of smaller mammals and also smaller reptiles. These guys have a lightning fast strike. They are known for taking birds right out of the sky. They do make a little S shape when they are ready to strike. And when he's relaxing, he will sit in that beautiful python pose. Something cool about this species is the juveniles are actually either bright yellow or bright red. They will not turn green for at least 6 months. Switching over to one of the smaller species now, this is a rhombic egg eater, also known as the African egg-eating snake. Her name is Benny. They do not really grow over a pound. They stay pretty light. Also, they grow up to about 90 centimeters, so they're definitely on the smaller scale. They come from the sub-Saharan parts of Africa and also the Middle East, such as Saudi Arabia. So they're often found on the ground searching for eggs. They live in forest edges, open plains, and grasslands. And their primary source of diet, it's going to be all those eggs. Once it's swallowed, the egg is actually punctured by special parts in the throat, so they're kind of like modified eternal spines. From there, all the nutrients are ingested, and then the snake will actually regurgitate its shell into a very nice, neat little pile, which I think is pretty neat. You can see this beautiful tan sandy brown color helps them blend in with their surroundings, especially because they're going to be on the ground for the most part. Here's a close-up of her. Even with snakes being also different, majority of the ones you're going to come across in the wild are actually non-venomous. So what's the best thing we can do if we see a snake in the wild? Leave it be. They are out there doing their job, and it is up to us to have that mutual respect to allow them to do so. I hope you enjoyed meeting Benny and Handsome today. If you're interested in checking out any of our additional educational programs, please feel free to go to our website at aquariumrestaurants.com. On behalf of the Kima Aquarium, I would like to thank the Galveston Bay Foundation for having us, and I would like to thank you for joining us for our Snake Talk, and I hope to see you next time.